This is going to be a video tutorial on how to turn on or off Do Not Track on the Arc web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Arc web browser opened up now. To turn on or off Do Not Track, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little Arc logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, in the Profiles area, you want to click on your profile. Then you'll go down toward the bottom, down to where it says Privacy and Security, and click on Privacy and Security. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left, you want to make sure you're on the Privacy and Security tab. Then on the center pane, you want to go down toward the bottom where it says Site Settings, click on Site Settings. Then you want to scroll down just a little ways to the Content area, and in the Content area, you want to click on Third-Party Cookies. And towards the top here, this has to do with third-party cookies. Do you want to allow third-party cookies? Do you want to block third-party cookies? Down below that, you can see it says Send a Do Not Track request along with your browsing traffic. Sites use this discretion when responding to this request. By default, that should be toggled on, but to turn it off, you would just toggle it off. That is how to enable or disable Do Not Track on the Arc web browser. Thanks for watching.